Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be covering a very interesting topic. Recently, I came across Caleb, this very famous Instagrammer come YouTuber who creates very amazing work. I was very intrigued in one of his videos as he plays a very interesting concept of fake bokeh. So this is the video. Now today we're going to basically just use your kit lens to be able to try out this effect, to be able to see how we can create this similar look and a similar bokeh at the back. Now for all those who do not know, bokeh is basically the blurry background that is behind your subjects that give a very blurry and very nice feel towards it. Now usually only high-end lenses are able to do that, but today I'm going to show you how you guys can do it using just your kit lens. At the end of the day, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison between the photo with the fake bokeh and the real bokeh to see if you guys can tell the difference. I will also be showing you guys how it's simply done so that you are able to achieve the effect by yourself too. So we will need some photos, right? I'm going to be bringing my A7 II with my kit lens along with me. Of course, you are able to use any other crop sensor bodies or micro four thirds to be able to achieve this same effect. If not, follow me as we head on out with my friends to be able to take some photos. Okay, I'm back. So after spending nearly a day out shooting, I'm ready to share with you guys the photos that I've taken today. Now I'll be keeping my cap on as my hair is really messy and you wouldn't want to see what's behind this. So let's look at the photos and then we'll go compare between the fake bokeh and the real bokeh. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's get started. I'll be showing you guys a series of photos where two photos will be side by side, one with the real bokeh and one with the fake bokeh. So do try to make a guess before the answer is revealed 6 seconds later. If you guys are like me, you're quite surprised on the photos that have been turned out where the fake bokeh has such a real representation of the real bokeh. Either ways, I'm going to show you guys a simple step-by-step on how I get the fake bokeh out. Alright, so let's move on to a very short tutorial on how I get those photos with the fake bokeh. So simply bring it to Photoshop and put two photos back to back. The one that has to be focused has to be on the one at the top, and the one that is blurry background has to be the one that's at the back, which is going to represent the fake bokeh. Shortly after, choose the eraser tool and adjust the brush size to the size that you will want, and play around with the opacity so that you will not be overly powered when you use the eraser tool. Do try to zoom in to be able to touch up on all the finer details, especially the ones that is closer to the focus subject. Erase as much as you can the first layer so that the second layer will pop out more. So basically there you have it, a photo with the fake bokeh. After seeing the photos side by side, I'm sure you guys can agree that the effect is really quite amazing. Just be able to take with your kit lens and a bit of photoshopping, you're able to get this fake bokeh. I'm sure for all those who are pros out there, you're able to tell the difference between the real and the fake bokeh in terms of the quality and the subject that's taken. But for all those who are amateur and want to achieve this effect, I'm sure it will work out for you. Now I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you do, please leave me a like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and leave down in the comments below what other things I could have covered and if you would like more of this so that I can churn out more. If not, I'll see you in the next one.